If you love pecans, then I hope you try this spiced pecan overnight oats. Welcome back, and I'll get right into this recipe so you can make these delicious oats. Start with a half a cup of old-fashioned oats, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/2 cup of milk or cream, 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup of pecans, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of allspice, and a pinch of sea salt. Now mix it all together so that everything is incorporated and there are no dry pockets of oats. That's going to sit for at least 4 hours to set, or of course overnight. The next morning, you can stir in more milk if you like them a little bit more creamy. I like my oats nice and thick, so I'm just going to leave them, and then you can add your toppings. For this, I'm keeping it simple and just adding some more pecans for crunch, and a little extra drizzle of maple syrup. I hope you try this recipe. If you do, leave a comment on how you like it or any alterations you made. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.